Today we're gonna see just how slay EcoSlay is. That's right. Turn around. Oh, okay. Okay, as I was saying, I've got my hands on some of the most audience-recommended hair gel out there, JELLO Shot.
Hey yo, the rain was steady pouring, heard the drops and drizzle meant to be. Chilling in my crib, no doubt. Peep the scene.
So fresh. What? Like you gotta keep it in the refrigerator. What? You gotta keep it in the refrigerator. Now, I was gonna review this gel anyway, but since this video is sponsored by EcoSlay, they give me a little taste of everything. So on today's menu, we got 3 courses. First up, the Chai Latte. This is a cleanser, and we'll double back to the ingredients a little bit later. Next, the banana cream doubles as a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. And lastly, we have the JELLO Shot, the product I'm most excited to try out. This is their flagship styling gel. Now, these little pouches, they're actually recyclable. You can send them back to EcoSlay, and they'll get it all squared away for you. In the meantime, you can transfer the product right on over to a container that they conveniently sell also on their website for easy handling and pop them babies right into the fridge. Now let's go ahead and take this party over to the shower. Now today we're gonna shampoo, deep condition, and style. 3 steps, in and out. I told y'all already, after about 10 years of being natural, I am tired. Anything more than 3 steps is just too much. Anyway, no shade to the other girls, but usually the plant-based natural products just don't be working. Like, I'm just the messenger. But EcoSlay was founded by Adria Marshall, aka somebody black, a mom, a wife, an entrepreneur who, as a gardener herself, wanted a few things, okay? 1, integrity in the ingredients that made up her hair products. 2, a reduction in EcoSlay's carbon footprint. And 3, support for her local community. Everybody on 1, 2, 3 say aw. 1, 2, 3. Aww. So EcoSlay partners with the Truly Living Well Center for Natural Urban Agriculture. It's in Atlanta. It's a bunch of black people farming. I love to see it. And they help to source all of the key ingredients that make up these products. So everything is farm to pouch. So we have the Chai Latte cleanser. It's made with black tea, burdock root, slippery elm, and sage. Banana cream deep conditioner is made with avocado, okra, coconut cream, aloe vera, and banana. And that JELLO Shot gel styler is made with okra extract, aloe vera juice, and chamomile. One thing I like about the pouches is that the ingredients, the instructions, the description of the product is all on the front of the packaging. Like, you don't have to go searching for stuff. And it might look like there's a lot going on, but that's because it's accessible. It's in multiple languages. Okay, so the directions and the ingredients actually end up being pretty simple. Easy to use, smells good, great ingredients, helps the community. Girl, what else is there to love? Actually, I'll tell you, the fact that my hair felt so good after putting in this deep conditioner. I'm gonna talk more about the products in depth a little later, but it's time to try the JELLO Shot. This has been recommended to me so much by y'all. Every time I say, I'm looking for a new gel, this is the first thing that y'all recommend. Even though I've seen people use this on dryish hair and still get great results, I'm gonna do as the directions say and wet my hair first. Started off with a little bit and then gradually added more to see, you know, if it's buildable, how the clump responded. I was really nervous because you don't always get the same results as other people. It just is what it is. But I think it's safe to say that homegirl is working.
Can't lie, more alarmed than lion-hearted. You're inspired, you fell in love, designed a garden. I aspire to higher vibes, but by and large, it's a fine line between lying down and trying harder. One slow sip.
So I repeated the steps throughout my entire head, got a small section, wet the hair, applied the product, and 15 minutes later, I was done.
You say, call me your place. I find my way through seeing somebody like you.
Okay, so I want to get my raw reaction right after. Where do I start? I guess I start with showing y'all this up close. I want you to get up close and personal. Girl, this kind of clumpage is very promising. I just need to see it when it's air dried, and then I'll be able to give you the real tea. The shampoo, luxurious. Didn't lather as much as I wanted it to lather. I was kind of like throwing on a bunch because I was like, I needed to lather. But with this, you don't really need the lather. You can feel it throughout your hair, which is why I need lather, because usually I can't feel shampoo unless I kind of see the lather happening. Afterwards, my hair was not stripped. It is not one of those. It is definitely not her. The deep conditioner, which also can be used, I was reading, as a leave-in conditioner as well, smells good. Banana, which I was looking, because usually you can only get a banana smell with, like, you know, artificial situations, but there's real banana extract in there, so that was lovely. The shampoo also is Chai Latte. It smells straight up like chai, and it's giving like flaxseed gel almost. Left the deep conditioner in, it rinsed out nicely. There wasn't like gunks of deep conditioner that's hard to rinse out. It actually recommends that you do like a heated situation, but I left my heating cap downstairs and I was not finna walk my naked booty down there in the cold to get it. I'm too old for that now. I'm almost 30. JELLO Shot was beautiful. It lived up to exactly what y'all would say about it. Y'all were like, well, you gotta try JELLO Shot. Tried it, and yeah, you was right. When it comes out the pouch, it's super thick. When I put it on my hair though, it doesn't give that like thick gel situation. It kind of melts really quickly into your hair and it activates the curls. But the shingling method also works really well with this gel, just FYI. So I'm gonna probably diffuse this to about 50% and then let it air dry for the rest of the night, and then I'll come back with the final result. I diffused my hair and it dried twice as quick as I thought. So I was gonna like diffuse it like halfway and then let it air dry, but it kind of fully dried. And so this is it. This is the final result. Ding, 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 ding. I think we have a winner. The definition, it's the shine, like it's the hold for me. Like this is crazy to me. And there's no obnoxious smell. Like, yeah, I'm a little shook. I'm a lot shook. Girl, I've been so tired of searching for like hair gels that don't have crazy ingredients in it, and this has just been sitting here this entire time. So I just love this. I'm obsessed. They gave me this cute little situation here. It's a bonnet. It came with a matching satin pillowcase too. I love that this is snug. Most bonnets, I feel like they be like trying to do this thing here where it's stretchy, but it don't be snug. It just be still slipping off your head. Like, we got it. I found the gel. Girl, there's no flaking. It's shiny. It's moisturized. I don't know what else to tell you, okay? And I love putting it in a little bun. You know, just pin it up right there, pin it up back there. Yes, that's what I like, and that's what I want to see. This is what I want to see. When I'm frustrated with my hair, I can just go in the shower real quick, boom, 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 and then put it in a bun. And no flakes, that's the best part. That's the best part. So there you have it, folks. I mean, the truth is in the pudding, the cream, the chai latte, and the jello. 10 out of 10 would absolutely recommend. So definitely check out these products down below. I'm going to be using these. These are going to be my go-tos. Them things in my refrigerator locked and loaded. But until next time, bye.